Why does your scanner show the P2733 engine code? And what does it mean? P2733 is a diagnostic trouble code for Pressure Control Solenoid F stuck on. This error code indicates that the transmission pressure control solenoid F is stuck in the on position. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty solenoid, dirty fluid, low fluid level, damaged wiring, faulty TCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, Honda, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.